Hello viewers and welcome from Vienna, Austria. Today we will do a little walk around Belvedere Palace in Vienna, Austria. This was part of our long weekend trip in October to Bratislava and Vienna. Belvedere Palace is not only a magnificent Baroque palace. As a museum, it also houses one of Austria's most valuable art collections. Prince Eugene of Savoy from 1663 till 1736, successful general and art connoisseur, had Belvedere Garden Palace built by Johann Lucas von Hildebrand as his summer residence. At the time, it was still outside the gates of the city of Vienna. This Baroque architectural jewel consists of two palaces, Upper and Lower Belvedere. We are now walking towards Upper Belvedere, which today house Austrian art from the Middle Ages to the present day. There will be further Vienna and Bratislava videos coming on the WinnisTravels YouTube channels. This stop at Belvedere Palace was part of a round trip by Big Red Bus through Vienna. I will still put out a video from the bus trip, and we will also have done a walk through the central of Vienna. I think I will end the video around here. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Until next week with a new Vienna or Bratislava video.